So, the XG99 smart headphones are getting a lot of attention online. But are they actually worth buying? Or are they just another cheap gadget with big promises? I decided to take a closer look. First, the design. The XG99 uses an open-style design. So, unlike normal earbuds, they do not completely block your ears. This can be useful if you want to hear what is happening around you while listening to music. The headphones connect wirelessly through Bluetooth, and on paper they look pretty impressive for the price. But how do they actually sound? In my test, the sound was decent for casual listening. Music was clear enough. The volume was good, but I would not expect premium headphone quality here. The bass is also not the strongest. For podcasts, YouTube, calls, and everyday music, though, they can get the job done. Now, what about the smart features? This is where things get interesting. Some XG99 listings promote features like translation and app support, but these features can depend heavily on the specific version and the software being used, so I would not buy them based only on those claims. Another thing I noticed is the build. They feel lightweight. That is good for comfort, but they do not feel like expensive headphones. So is the XG99 a scam? I wouldn't call it an outright scam. The XG99 is a real headphone model, and it has regulatory documentation as an open-style audio device. But the marketing can make them sound more advanced than they really are. My verdict? If you want affordable headphones for basic everyday use, the XG99 could be worth considering. But if you expect premium sound, powerful features, or flawless AI translation, I would keep my expectations low.